gonna get ready for work today and head to the office after this. Let's get down to the low on my grooming routine. So my first step is using special cleansing gel. Really don't need much at all. With milk foliant, which is an exfoliator, so it washes my face and exfoliates. It's called a power wash. Sometimes I will get, if my hair is really short, up on my scalp too, because it's basically like skin at that point. So I do get ingrown hairs and stuff like that, so the exfoliant really helps get those out. So next would be antioxidant hydro mist. Just kind of keeps my skin very hydrated. So next is circular hydration serum, quenches my dehydrated skin. I really notice a difference when I don't use this. Next is dynamic skin recovery. What I love about this is that it's super light, you don't need too much, and it has 50 SPF. Next would be the Kiehl's facial eye depuffer. This is one thing that doesn't come from highlo, but I've been using it for years. I get really bad bags under my eyes. It's like cooling, it really kind of takes the swelling down, and it really kind of lasts forever as well. And after that is everyday oil, which is what I use on my beard. It's got a bunch of organic coconut oil, and it keeps it hydrated all day, especially in the winter time. So next up is my hair. Today I use the Kevin Murphy Maxi Wash. I use this about once a week, and I have really thick hair that grows really fast, so it really gives me the ability to get all that product out of it, and it feels really light and doesn't feel all thick and gooped up. But my hair is pretty simple, and I'll use the Kevin Murphy Freehold. I moved to New York. I got, kind of a serious job. I never really had a grooming routine, and then I actually started going to highlo, and I realized that I kind of needed one because my skin was a little bit dry sometimes, would get breakouts and stuff like that. So I just kind of wanted to have a dedicated skin routine that wasn't going to take me too long and still be semi-affordable too. Grooming related confidence boost would be actually sticking with your skincare routine and seeing the results from it. The confidence boost I get from that and the compliments I get from that are quite nice. You have to be able to bring your full self everywhere, and being able to feel confident in your grooming routine helps you do that. All right, all ready to go.